you think there's some more in there? I bet you there's some more in this hole.
In this hole?
Ain't no potato in this hole. Yeah, we're gonna get Daddy to dig some more out of there, out of this hole. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's see potatoes.
Potatoes.
Woo, potatoes.
Ooh, potatoes. Look at this.
Grow your own potatoes. Okay, just let them dig, okay? How about stand back a minute because the shovel's sharp. Thanks, honey. See, look, you lacerated one.
Piece.
A piece.
A piece of potato.
Here, Mommy's going to get out of the way too. And then... Are you excited?
It'd be a big one. What a big scoop. Look, a mini potato.
Mini potato.
Yeah,
A mini potato?
Whoa, look at that giant enormous scoop.
Bust it open.
I'm busting it open.
What do you think's in there?
A potato.
Oh, look at those potatoes. Yum. Are we going to make potato salad?
Yeah.
Do you even like potato salad?
I can smell that dirt.
Yeah.
I can smell that dirt in the hole.
All right, that's digging potatoes.
Potato.
Digging potatoes in the real BC.
Oh, yeah, I can break it open.
You can break it open.
Worm.
You can grow your own potatoes.
Worm.
That was 2 potato plants, so maybe that's not like great. But you know what? We'll take it.
I found another
Take
one.
it. And this guy's
two.
super excited, so that's fine. That's exactly what we wanted, right? Maybe
Where's
one day he'll grow his own
go?
potatoes.
Where's mine go?
One day you'll be a man and you'll grow your own potatoes. No, Mommy, then won't you always be here to grow my potatoes for me?
Potato.
No.
That's potato.
Hey, your tag's sticking out.
That's
All right, come on. We can hear Grandma calling. It's Duncan D on the phone. Okay, potatoes, potato harvesting. Yeah! Let's see.
Potato.
Wow! Cheese! That's awesome!
Cheesy potato.
A cheesy potato?
Yeah.
Yes!
Whoa, whoa.
Pre-cheese, the best kind.
Well, it's just a big scoop.
All right.
Look at a big scoop.
Sunday, fun day.